Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be painting Valentine's cards, 3 in total. The first one, we're going to paint this lovely heart. We're going to use a cling film technique for that one, so that's really good for beginners to learn that technique in a simple way. The second card is this cute little gnome, which I love, so dead sweet. Again, great for beginners, nice and easy, and I teach you how to paint the hair of his beard successfully. And the third painting is this heart, and in this one I teach you how to use the salt technique and also blending colours wet into wet. This video is how to paint 3 easy watercolours for beginners, and the first card we're going to do is this heart tree. Super simple, and to get you started, that's quite a quick painting. You could probably do that in 10 minutes or so. And this one I'm going to teach you how to use a resist and create a super patterned effect with lots of hearts. And the third painting take a little bit longer to do, but this one's really pretty, and you can add somebody's name or a word inside that heart. Lots of different flowers on the outside, and I'll show you step-by-step instructions how to complete these 3 easy Valentine's cards in watercolour for beginners. Now click the link below this video to watch full step-by-step instructions.